Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing a new playlist for the Bridging Year 11 to A-Level. I've got some Year 11 students with me here. They've just finished their Gcse's and we're going to pick two topics that they know about, which is Surds and Indices, and see how it looks like in an A-Level paper. So you got, what's that? 3 to the 7 over 2.
7 over
okay?
2.
Now we know our index laws. That's the same as that half is root 2. Sorry, the root 2 of 3 raised to the 7, or that is 3 to the 7 all square rooted. But using our index laws, we'd also know that that's 3 to the 3.5, which is equal, if you remember index laws, you add the powers, 3 to 3 times 3 to the half.
Yep.
So 3 to the 3 is 27.
Yes.
Root 3. Now that's in that form A root B. So you've got to know your index laws there. The fraction is the square root of, but also a product comes from the sum of the powers. Okay, so that's indices. Let's look at a Surds question. We've got root 2 over 1 minus root 2. We've got to put it into this form, C plus D root E. So what we're going to multiply it by is its conjugate. So 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2. Now you probably saw this at Gcse level.
Yes.
So it's got a different sign there. So the middle terms of that expansion will fall away. And the root 2 times root 2 will disappear because root 2 times root 2 is 2. So deal with the denominator on its own. I'm going to get 1 minus root 2 plus root 2. They'll cancel. Minus root 2 squared is 2, and then to expand the numerator, root 2 plus 2. So if you're not sure about what I've done in the denominator, I'll just quickly do that on the side here. 1 minus root 2 times 1 plus root 2. It's like a difference of 2 squares. I get 1, I get plus root 2, I get minus root 2, and then I get minus root 2 squared. Those two cancel. Root 2 squared is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So my denominator now is root 2 plus 2 all over minus 1. I want it in that form, C plus D root E. Divided by minus 1, I just change those signs. And there we go. There's some Surds and indices for Year 11 into A-level bridging work. Make sense?
Yep.
Fantastic. So keep watching. Good luck for your A-levels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye from all.
Bye.